Are you curious how FNX Refuel protein tastes? You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. I'll take you through my first experience with the cookies and cream flavor. Alright, let's try this FNX Refuel protein cookies and cream flavor. I decided to spare you from me basically chugging that entire protein shake because it was so good. Oh my, it tastes like ice cream. Yummy. If you don't like protein, you might like this one. Check out the link in the description and the next review cookies and cream whey protein. Live longer, feel better, and life to your ears.